Hello everybody. Today's video lecture is on the topic of number systems. This topic you have studied in your course syllabus in the chapter number 7. As the number system consists of 4 types of systems: decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. The base for the decimal number system is 10, and it includes the numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. The base for the binary number system is 2, and it includes 0 and 1. The base for octal number system is 8. It includes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For hexadecimal number system, the base is 16 and it includes 0, 1 to 9, and after 9 it has the alphabetical letters from A, B, C, D, E, F. Out of these number systems, our normal mathematics, which we have done in our classes from junior to seniors, is the decimal number system, whereas the binary number system is the official language used in our computers. Next, how the conversion of one number system into another number system is done. As you all have seen that for hexadecimal number system it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to A, B, C, D, E, F. And the similar numbers for the hexadecimal number system, the decimal number systems can be represented as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here in the decimal number system, the digits are available only from 0 to 9. After 9, we convert this 0 to 1, and after 9, it will again start from the 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, the 15 number in the decimal number system is equivalent to the number F in the hexadecimal number system. Similarly, in case of octal number system, as it goes from 0 to 7, after 7, the next number for the octal decimal number system, we convert this 0 to 1, and this 7 is replaced again by 0. Then 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6 and 1, 7. After this 7, 1, 7, this one is converted into the 2, and this 7 is again converted into the 0. Similarly, for the binary number system, it has only 2 digits, 0 and 1. After this one, it converts into again 0, and the next bit is converted into the 1. So this is 1, and here again comes out to be 0, 1. When both here situations comes out to be 1, 1, the next higher bit is converted from 0 to 1, and again this can be converted into 0, 0. Then 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1, 1, and so on. So, the equivalent number for the decimal number system 15, in binary it is 1, 1, 1, 1, in octal it is 1, 7, and in hexadecimal it is F. After this continuation, the decimal number system which we have studied in our regular mathematics, it is 16, 17, 18, 19. After 9, this converts into 0, and here 1 is replaced by 2, which we called it as 20, 21, 22, 23. And similarly for the binary, it is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. And so on. For octal, it is 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, and so on to 2, 7. For hexadecimal number system, as in the previous slide, it is finished up to F. So the next number is, here comes out to be 1, and here comes out to be again 0, which goes on from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to again 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. So in this video lecture we have studied mainly about the conversions between the different number systems. So the possible conversions are decimal to binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal, and vice versa, like octal to decimal, hexadecimal to decimal, and binary to decimal. And similarly, the other conversions, binary to octal, binary to hexadecimal, and similarly, hexadecimal to octal and hexadecimal to binary conversion system. For example, 25, the lower number represents the base. This 25 belongs to the category of decimal number system. It is equal to 1101. Here the base is 2. So this number belongs to the category of binary number system. And here 31, the base is 8. This belongs to the category of octal number system. And 19, base is 16. So this belongs to the category of hexadecimal number system. So we are going to start with the conversions. Let's start with the first type of conversion, that is decimal to decimal, which as fact there is no need. But how to convert the decimal number system to the decimal? Let's study that. For example, the decimal number system is 125. The base is 10 because the decimal number system has base 10. It can be converted like from starting with the lower bit 5. It is multiplied by the base. The base of the number is decimal number system is 10 raised to power 0. This is called as the weight. Then next bit 2. 2 multiplied by 10 raised to power 1. The next bit is 1. 1 multiplied by 10 raised to power 2. This is the weights. The weight for 5 is 0, the weight for 2 is 1, the weight for 1 is 2, and so on if the further bits are available with us. We do the calculations 5, 20, 100 and then add these, we get the answer 125. Now the next type of conversion is binary to decimal number system. For this, the technique, or you call the method, is multiply each bit by 2 raised to power n, where n is the weight of the bit. Here we taken the 2 because we have to convert the binary into the decimal number system. The weight is the position of the bit starting from 0 on the right, as we have studied in the previous slide. And finally add the results. Let us suppose the binary number system is 101011 and the base is 2. We can take these digits as 110101 and multiply each with 2 raised to power 0. 0 is the weight of that particular digit. The weight is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here we have taken 2, that is the base of the number which we have to convert. And we get these answers and finally add. This is the 43 in the decimal number system. So 101011 is equivalent to 43 in the decimal number system. Now the next type of conversion is octal to decimal. This is almost similar to the binary to decimal number system. Here we have replaced the base with 8. And again n is the weight of the bit. Weight is the position starting from 0 on the right and then finally add the results. For example, the number is 724. Here the weight for 4 is 0. For 2 the weight is 1. For 7 the weight is 2. We can multiply 4 multiplied by 8 raised to power 0. We have taken 8 here because 8 is the base of the number which we have to convert in the decimal number system. We get the answers and finally added them. So the 724 in the octal number system is equivalent to 468 in the decimal number system. Similarly, for conversion from hexadecimal to the decimal number system. In this, the base taken is 16. And the rest of the procedure is same as we done for the binary and octal. Let us suppose the number is A, B, C. For C, the weight is 0. For B, the weight is 1. And for A, the weight is 2. Now, what is CBA? A is equivalent to number 10, B is equivalent to number 11, and C is equivalent to number 12 as per the series. So 12 is multiplied by 16 raised to power 0. Here we have taken 16 because the hexadecimal number system, the base is 16. We get these answers and finally add them. Now the next type of conversion is the opposite conversion, that is from decimal to the binary number system. For this type of conversion, the method is divide by 2. Here we have taken 2 because the base of the binary number system is 2. The method for this is divide by 2, keep track of the remainder. The first remainder is bit 0, that we called it as the least significant bit. The second remainder is bit 1 and so on. Let us suppose the number is 125, that is in the decimal number system, and we have to convert it into the binary number system. So we divide this number by 2 and we get 62 with remainder of 1. Similarly, again we divide it by 2, we get 31 and the remainder is 0. Again divide by 2, we get 15, remainder is 1. Now again 2, the answer is 7 and the remainder is 1. Again 2, answer is 3, the remainder is 1. Again 2, here the 1 and the remainder is also 1. And again 2, you have to continue this up to until you get the 0 at last. And again the remainder is 1. For this, the 125 number is equivalent to, we have to start with this bit 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. So this will become your most significant bit and this will become your least significant bit, like this. And the next type of conversion is from octal to binary conversion system. Now convert each octal digit to a 3-bit equivalent binary representation. This you have done to see your table which we have drawn in the starting slides. Now if you have to convert 7058 to the binary number system, you have to write down the equivalent 3-digit binary number system for the each digit. Like for 5, in the binary it is represented as 101, for 0, 000, and for 7 it is 111. These you have to see from the table. So the equivalent number for this is 705, 111, 000, and 101. The next type of conversion is hexadecimal to binary. The rule for this is convert each hexadecimal digit to a 4-bit equivalent binary number system. As in the octal number system, we have taken the combination of 3 digits, whereas for hexadecimal number system, we have taken the combination of 4 digits. Let us suppose the number is 10AF. Now, for the 4 decimal combination binary number systems, 1 can be represented as 0001. 0 is represented as 0000, A can be represented as 1010, and F is 1111. So we got this answer in the binary number system. Now the conversion from decimal to octal, for this divide by 8 now and keep track of the remainder as you have done in the case of decimal to binary number system. In that case you divide it by 2, but in case of decimal to octal number system, you divide by 8, and like this, you got the remainder 2, got the remainder 2 again, and finally until you got 0 at the lowest. So the answer is 2322. This 2 becomes your least significant bit. Next type of conversion is decimal to hexadecimal number system. In this you have to divide by 16, like this, and you got the answer for this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4D2. Here the 13 is represented by D. Now the binary to octal number system, put bits in 3s and starting on the right.